Hi guys, most welcome POPxo Nail Paint by Myglamm. Today I will show a review that its packing and it's all the colors. So stay tuned. So guys, these are the finally colors I have been put on. And these are so nice. I'm really in love with these colors. Look at those colors. It's all the range of POPxo. And the formula is so good. This is this color. You're looking at my thumb and you can see it. Now I'll show you the pink, and I'll show you the put on also. See the last finger color. It's so chubby. Now the next color is this. See the formula, and it's so good. It's drying up also. Time is not too much. See the luster. See the color. Wow, that's great fluorescent color. And orange one, the last but never the least, and yellow one. Let's see the yellow proper color. How is this? See, the formula is too good. Like, it's so much improved. Here is my today's superstar nail paint. It has given my hands really chubby, beautiful neon colors. Look, so just go for it. And if you like the video review put-ons and the nail colors, and you really like the nail color at the rate of 249 rupees, then I am giving you the buying link in the description box. Just go and check that out and buy one for you too and enjoy. So cute, so young as color. So guys, I will just give it a wow and just go for it. Just color your nails with these fluorescent colors and go in love with your hands. So it's a tata bye bye from the house of Rashmi Pediwal.